By taking a few extra steps now, you can toss out the notion that basements are cursed to be dank, cold, and musty storage rooms. Whether you plan on finishing your basement or not, you will want to include insulation in your new home's basement design. Most basements are built in direct contact with the cold, moist ground. Concrete will absorb moisture like a sponge, and the possible result is an uncomfortable, musty living space. The additional water introduced into the home can possibly lead to mold or mildew, bad smells, and health issues. Definitely a problem if you're planning to have bedrooms or other family rooms down there. Proper insulation techniques, drainage planning, and proper foundation wall damp proofing can assist in preventing these issues. Batting insulation with an air barrier is one effective technique for insulating your basement. An even better solution is to have spray foam installed on the interior concrete walls. Spray foam can seal your basement airtight. It acts as a vapor barrier and it insulates, all in one product. We also recommend you choose spray foam for the rim joists, the area at the top of your concrete foundation where it meets the rest of your house. Again, this will seal any air leaks and insulate, helping assist in preventing condensation, mold, and possible rot. Code requires spray foamed rim joists in many northern climates. It's a recommended upgrade elsewhere. Basements can also be insulated using blown-in blanket and rigid board insulation. Especially if you plan to use your basement as a living space, let's be sure to discuss what solution is right for your new home.